Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha says, we set out along with Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam to perform the farewell pilgrimage. So we put on the ihram, special garb for Umrah. Later, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, whosoever has brought a sacrificial animal with him should perform both Hajj and Umrah and must not take off the ihram until he performs Hajj and Umrah. When I, accompanied by him, reached Makkah Mukarramah, I was in periods. So I neither performed the circumambulation around Allah's house nor marched between Safa and Marwa. When I complained it to Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he asked me to unite hair of my head, comb it, and put on ihram for the Hajj, and leave my Umrah. So I did the same. When we had performed the Hajj, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam sent me to Tanim along with Hazrat Abdul Rahman bin Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu. So I wore the ihram for Umrah from there. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, it is the place of your Umrah. Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha says, those who had worn the ihram for Umrah, they took off the ihram after performing circumambulation of Allah's house and marching between Safa and Marwa, and then performed the Umrah again while returning from Mina. But the people who combined the Hajj and the Umrah performed the circumambulation once only. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 4395.